Tired of juggling passwords for every site? Log into Wise with Facebook in under 30 seconds. No new password needed. I know the feeling. You finally find a service you want to use like Wise for sending money or managing multiple currencies, and then, boom, another account to create, another password to remember. It gets old fast. But here is the good news. You already have a way in. If you have a Facebook account, you can skip the whole sign-up hassle and link straight to Wise. Let me show you exactly how that works. Here is the simple 3-step process. Go to Wise, click the Facebook icon, and confirm. Let us walk through it. So first, start by opening your browser and heading over to the Wise website. Just type in wise.com and hit enter. Now, when the page loads, you will see the familiar login screen. And here's the thing. Instead of fumbling for your password or trying to remember which email you used, look right at the login area. You will see a few different options for signing in. There is the standard email and password fields, but what you are looking for is the social login buttons. And right there, you should see a big blue button with the Facebook logo on it. That is your key to skipping all the work. Now, go ahead and click that Facebook icon. The moment you do, Wise will step back and let Facebook handle the rest. This is the part where my own experience came in handy, because I remember being a little nervous the first time I did this. I thought, is Wise going to post something on my wall? Is it going to see all my private messages? No, absolutely not. Facebook will pop up a new window or a small overlay asking for your permission. It will say something like, Wise wants to access your public profile and email address. And that is it. That is all it needs. The public profile is just your name and profile picture, so Wise can greet you properly. The email address is so they can send you receipts and account updates. So click that Facebook icon and let the new window appear. You might have to log into Facebook if you are not already logged in on that browser. But if you are, this next step is almost instantaneous. You will see a screen that breaks down exactly what information Wise is asking for. Read it over quickly if you want, but it is really just the basics. And here is the really important part. Click the button that says Continue. It might say Continue as your name, or it might just say Continue. Either way, that is your green light. Once you click that, Facebook sends a secure token back to Wise. It is like a digital handshake. It says, yes, this person is who they say they are. And that is it. Within a second or two, the Wise page will refresh and you will be logged in. No typing, no guessing, no resetting a forgotten password at midnight. So now that you've done it once, the next time you come back to Wise, it will be even faster. You just click that Facebook icon and it will log you right in without even asking for a password. In my experience, this is the single best way to keep your account secure while also making your life a little bit easier. You are not adding a new password to remember, you are just using the one you already have. It is simple, it is quick, and it takes all the friction out of getting started. Give it a try and let me know how it goes for you.